If you want to be able to share your location on your iPhone with somebody else, either for an hour or maybe indefinitely, I'll show you exactly how to do that. But first, we need to make sure it is turned on in the settings of your iPhone. So head into the Settings app of your iPhone. From the Settings app, let's just scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security, and then tap on Location Services. Now, the first thing, of course, is location services needs to be turned on. This allows your iPhone to track your location for certain apps. After you've done that, tap on Share My Location, and you can see my location will be tracked from this device, this iPhone, and make sure Share My Location is turned on. But this doesn't actually share that location. This just enables the ability to share it. To be able to share that location with anyone else, hop into the Messages app on your iPhone. This is the easiest way to do it. Just tap on whoever you want to share that location with. And within here, we can share that location by tapping on the plus to the left of the message. Scrolling down, and you'll see Location midway down. From here, you can see it pops up with your location. You can tap on the Share button, and now it shows either indefinitely until the end of the day or for 1 hour, depending on how long exactly you want to share that location. I hope this helps. I know you're busy, so thanks for spending a little bit of your day here with me, and I'll catch you on the next one.